BE-GOOD is a pioneering project aiming to unlock, reuse and extract value from public sector information in order to develop data-driven services in the area of infrastructure and environment. There are 11 projects and most of them have selected an SME to realize their challenge.
Well, there's been a very big movement in Europe and the United Kingdom as well around open data. So the fact that open data is available, not too big an issue in many respects, actually being able to integrate that open data and put a context around it of a human being's life, that's the hard bit. So there's lots of data you can see where people go and what they do, but you can't get down to engaging with the individuals. What we've been able to do with the Include platform, based on the challenge from Glasgow, is design a platform that integrates open data with personal data and allow personalised services and personalised notifications of those services, which makes everybody's lives easier.
What we see is that organizations really see the need to share the data, and in current, for example, with climate change, what you see is there's a lot of pressure is put on systems, water systems in cities and in the agricultural areas, and the organizations come to realize that they cannot solve these problems alone.
We are cooperating with the IRSELine, the Belgium Interregional Environment Agency, which gather the air quality data and create a really high resolution and precise model about the pollution, air pollution, and they are providing this data as open, and we will going to use this data in order to suggest the cyclers or cyclists the best air quality route possible between the origin and the destination.
There's a lot involved in working with open data. The Dutch company Copernicus helps governments and companies to be prepared.
You want to use data, then the data availability in its own is not enough. You also need the right contracts for that. You need people that are skilled. You need managers that know what they have to do with the results of the analysis. And we've seen a lot of things that go wrong if that factors are not in place. So we help Rijkswaterstaat to identify the success factors for implementing smart maintenance.
The selected SMEs exchange information, which is quite interesting, although they don't reveal everything.
Of course, we can tell a lot about what we are doing, but we would never share our source code with the other parties, because that's our bread and butter, and we would like to continue to exist for a while. Yeah.
You do share some knowledge?
We share knowledge and we share approaches. For instance, we share the basic principle that the parameter of energy can be used to detect anomalies, which I think we are one of the very few companies that are actually doing this.
Taking part in European projects and working together with governments makes it all worthwhile for the SMEs.
Actually, this program is structuring for us because it gave us the opportunity to build some new solutions, and now these solutions are interesting for many other collectivities, public bodies and other companies, so it helped us to go further. It put us on the map because it helped us grow our revenues, of course, and it gave us great visibility. And so now there are some investment firms from all over the place, from Europe and abroad, which are contacting us.
Indeed, it's very, very learnful. First of all, we learn from the partners in the project, but secondly, it allows us as a small company to build up or increase our network. And we strongly believe that as SMEs, small SMEs, that we should work together, each with its own capacities and capabilities, and to bundle forces to bring real European solutions to the European market.